Hey guys, Adam here from Lawn Hub and welcome back. Today we're back at the old man's place. We're finally getting this irrigation install done. Super excited, so stick around. Alrighty guys, before we get started, I just want to show you the sprinklers that we'll be using today. We're using the Rainbird bodies, 1800s, Rainbird R-vans, and there's just a little bit of information here. These should be available at all major irrigation supply places. I know Waterpro have heaps of them, so if you're ever after some more information, jump onto the Waterpro website. There's plenty of information there. The reason why we're upgrading this system today is because the backyard's changed over the last 20 odd years that my mum and dad have been here, so thought why not upgrade with some new technology. So there's going to be 13 of these going in today, 9 for the lawn and 4 for the green. So stick around. I'm not an irrigation install professional, so I just want to make that clear. This is probably not a how-to, this is more of a how I do it. I've been shown how, well, I've been guided, I would say is the right terminology. I've been guided on the way that I should be doing it. So if I make some mistakes, which I probably will, you know, it is what it is. As long as it works at the end of the day, I'm going to be happy. So stick around. Alrighty guys, so this is our choice of weaponry today. This is an irrigation trencher. I hired it from Mars and Hire, thanks to Luke and Alex, the legends there. Anyone north of Adelaide looking for some hire equipment, definitely check out Mars and Hire. They're also a Lawn Hub stockist. Yeah, like I said before, I'm not an irrigation install professional, so stick along with me and I could either make some laugh for you guys at home or will actually be pretty impressed. I've already done some practice ones just to make sure that I kind of know what I'm doing. So yeah, we'll chuck a time lapse on and we'll see how we go. Alrighty guys, so I've just finished trenching and it's done an awesome job. Yeah, I don't know how I would have done that by hand. Look, on the footage I've probably done a few things wrong, but like I said before, I'm not an irrigation install specialist. I'm definitely not a machinist specialist, that's for sure. So I'm not sure I'd get a job on the out in the field, but hey, we're in a domestic setting here. I'm just having fun and I'm learning, and that's what it's all about. So now I'm gonna go around with all the fittings and sprinkler heads just to make sure that I've got everything that I need before I start cutting this poly up. After that, we'll flush it out, and then if there's no leaks, we'll get it started and yeah, we'll have a look. Alrighty guys, so I've got all the fittings and heads and everything all set out, so it's going to make for an easy job, hopefully, fingers crossed. I have all the correct fittings and all the right sprinkler heads, so I'm actually really excited now because that doesn't happen often to me, making sure that I've got everything. So we'll set up the tripod and we'll get a bit of a time lapse of connecting it all together. Alrighty guys, it is absolutely bucketing down with rain. I am soaked, but I've got all the bodies in, just flushing out the main lawn. I've already flushed out the green area here. We've got no leaks that I can see. So we're gonna fill all these holes back in now, put the R-van heads in there, and fingers crossed, we're all good. Okay, so it's not the same day, it's in fact 2 weeks later. The end of that last clip that just showed, it was so wet, it was just too much rain. All the trenches filled in with water, so it's been a couple of weeks here in Adelaide, it's finally dried out. I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you what we've done. As you can see, all the heads have dropped down nicely. Still, still a bit of filling in to go with this sandy loam. We applied that last Saturday because we found out that, it just sunk a little bit. So we've just applied some sandy loam there, and as you can see, we've already starting to get some kikuyu creep into those areas. So it won't be long until those areas are covered up. So overall, very happy. I'll just go over to the valve blocks. They're all Rainbird bodies and R-van heads. So they do a really nice job. And then just a little plug there, little Waterpro valve box here. And so it's got one of those Hunter Bluetooth nodes, really good. So we connect that up to the app, which I'll show you in a sec. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said before, if I can do it, then anyone can definitely do it. I'm just taking shelter in the green area here at the moment, but yeah, we've got full head-to-head coverage. Much better system now than what was here before. The old man's absolutely stoked. We've even got a little section in there. But yeah, overall, very happy. This zone uses about 51 litres per minute, and then the green zone uses about 21 litres a minute. So it's a lot more efficient watering. Cannot stress enough how important it is to get a professionally designed irrigation for your place, because every place is going to be different with flow rate and pressure and all that. So if you're interested in that, make sure you do check out Waterpro. They have supplied everything here today. Brandon helped me design the system, and very, very happy. So I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Like I've said before, I'm not an irrigation specialist, definitely not a trencher specialist by any means, but I've managed to do that all by myself with a little bit of help with the old man. But yeah, I do encourage you guys to give it a go. But like I said before, it's really important that you do get a professionally designed irrigation system, only because it's going to maximize where that water is going to go and how many sprinklers you need and all that jazz. They'll sort it all out for you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Any suggestions that you want to see next, make sure you always drop them down below. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you later. Cheers.